In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted parts of an image cleanly and confidently using only the built-in tools. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Express. You can do this in your web browser or the app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work is saved to your account. Give the interface a second to load. Once it's ready, you'll see your workspace with access to your projects. Next, open your sample project. Look for it in your Recent or Projects view and click to load it. If your canvas appears zoomed out, feel free to zoom in for a better view while you work. Clear visibility makes erasing much more precise. Now click on the sample picture inside your project to select it. You should see a bounding box or handles appear, confirming the image layer is active. If your project has multiple layers, make sure the correct one is highlighted so the edits apply exactly where you intend. With the image selected, click on the eraser. Depending on your layout, you'll find the eraser icon in the editing panel when the image is active. Once it's enabled, your cursor turns into a brush, and you'll see options for fine-tuning how it behaves. Before you start erasing, edit the eraser settings, especially the size. A larger brush works well for broad areas, while a small brush is best near edges and fine details. If you see controls for softness or hardness, a softer edge helps blend transitions, and a harder edge is useful for crisp, clean cuts. Opacity, if available, lets you fade areas instead of removing them completely. Take a moment to test on a small corner and adjust until it feels comfortable. Now you're ready to erase. Click or drag directly over the parts of the image you want to remove. Use slow, controlled strokes and don't rush near edges. Zoom in when precision matters. Make multiple light passes instead of one heavy swipe. It's easier to control your results. If you remove something by accident, use undo to step back and try again. Keep an eye on the edges as you work. If they look jagged or too sharp, reduce the brush hardness or increase softness and refine the border. Periodically release the mouse to commit small sections, which makes it simpler to undo only the most recent change. When you're satisfied, click away from the image or close the tool to return to your canvas. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express, open your project, select the image, choose the eraser, set your brush, and carefully erase exactly what you don't need.